The JWT decode function decodes a JSON Web Token and retrieves the contents in JSON format. Token is a JSON Web Token to be decoded. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I am creating a secure JSON Web Token and then decoding it. The decoded token will be a JSON document. I export the payload field, which contains the information I need. First, I create a JSON Web Token and store it in a string variable sjwt. Then I use the JWT decode function to decode the string variable sjwt, which will contain a JSON document. I store the JSON document in the string variable sjwt decode. Then I retrieve the field payload in the JSON document and store it in the string variable stm1 params. Finally, I export stm1 params into a file named tm1params.json. Let's run the process and then view the file. After executing the process, the file will look like this.